Editing videos like a text document, instantly adding stylish captions, and completely removing annoying background noise with a click of a button. I've been using these 3 tools to streamline my video editing, and not only are they super easy to use, but the algorithm loves the results. Better yet, you can get them all in one place. I'm Ash, and let me talk you through the new VEED Flow. First things first, let's get our footage uploaded. I've got an example here that I shot earlier, and my aim of this video is to make an interesting informational short for my audience. And look to the left here and you'll see how it automatically creates a full transcript from the clip. Now, this is super useful because instead of making lots of finicky, time-consuming edits down here in the timeline, I can edit the video right here in the script. So here you can see I messed up one of the lines, not unusual. Well, now I have the option to just highlight that line of text and hit delete. And just like that, VEED has made a seamless cut in the video. Now, you may have noticed these gray boxes in the script. These are silences, likely where I got distracted thinking about lunch. To get rid, you simply select them and hit delete, or hit the magic tool and let AI remove them to your liking. And here's something particularly useful. Let's say I got a name wrong or something. Normally you'd have to spend ages reshooting and re-uploading. It's all a big faff. Well, with VEED, I can use AI rephrase to type in the correction, and then AI will update my voice to say it. Crazy. And let's say you don't want your video to just be you standing there talking to the camera. Well, easy. VEED has a whole bunch of B-roll options at your disposal. You can browse through VEED's extensive video library, or you can use AI to generate something completely fresh. Yes, obviously I made my video about cats. Now that you've got the editing out of the way, let's talk about captions. Most people, I'm talking over 70%, scroll through social media without the sound on, so captions are essential or you're missing out on potential views. Luckily, you can add them with a click of a button, and you have a whole ton of options when it comes to style. VEED, of course, times them all perfectly for you. Last but not least, let's talk about audio, because for those that do listen with sound, well, we want it to sound as good as possible. And we can do that with a click of a button. Hell, I recorded the audio of my clip on my phone across the room and just listen to the difference that it makes. Cats are way weirder than you think. For starters, your cat isn't just a cute little furball that sleeps 18 hours a day and screams at you at 3 AM. Not only does it remove background noise, but suddenly it sounds like a professional studio microphone. We'll seal the deal with some background music, and just like that, we're ready to go. A fully edited video with high quality audio, music, and captions. Let's take a look, shall we? Furball that sleeps 18 hours a day and screams at 3 AM. It's basically the descendant of a prehistoric assassin. If you want to give VEED Flow a go yourself, check out the link in the description, especially as everyone can give it a go for free. Click here to see how you can create incredible videos by simply typing one single text prompt. Otherwise, thank you for watching.